All right, folks, here we are again. Dan the Produce Man here. Carrots, okay? Look, you've got so many choices in fresh carrots. Bunched with the tops, bunched without the tops. Colorful carrots right here. And look at these gorgeous loose carrots as well. You're going to look for certain things in carrots, okay? Sometimes you're going to have broken ends. That's okay. It's not going to hurt you. It's fine. You're not going to use that part anyway. Always check your carrots very carefully. You want nice fresh carrots. You don't want any dark ends on your carrots at all because you want a nice, fresh, firm carrot. Also, with your bunched carrots, you're always going to see this gorgeous. You're going to have these little roots at the bottom. That's okay. The carrot is a root. And the nice tops. Now, when you bring these home, take the tops off if you're not going to use these carrots right away. Why? Why do you ask that? Unless you're going to juice them, and you can juice the carrot and the top all together. A lot of nutrition there. They're growing. These carrots are still growing. It's a root. So this green is still growing. And while it's growing, it's sucking the nutrients out of the carrots. So as you see here, it's been topped off and you get a nice bunched carrot where the nutrients are staying in the roots. And the same with the colorful carrots over here. You've got your gorgeous ones right here, your purples, your reds, your greens, your yellows. Absolutely beautiful rainbow carrot. Sometimes you'll see a carrot with a split on it. Now, a lot of people find that not very desirable, but it's not going to hurt you. This just happens when the ground is really cold or really wet, and the carrots get big and then they split. No problem there. So firmness is what you're looking for in a carrot. Firm all the way around. Don't worry about broken ends on the top. That happens in the production line. Hey folks, I'm Dan the Produce Man reminding you that it's always best when you get it carrot fresh.